Here, you can see him if you see him. Josh, come here. He's crying because he can't get down. Sammy! Come here, Sammy!
Samson. Joshy.
What? He's so stupid, he can't get down.
Come on, Samson.
Don't let him see you. Josh, don't let him see you. I wonder how long it'll take him to realize he can get down.
He just jumped.
I know it.
He would stay there until he died, I'm pretty sure. What's the matter?
What's he shaking for?
What's the matter, Sammy?
Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to let him stay there until he figures out how to get down. Come on, Sammy. Come get a treat.
Come on, we got some treats. Oh, you fat fucker.